The Baby 5-in-1 Walker in mint green is a versatile product that adapts to your child's needs with 5 different modes, including a walker, bouncer, rocker, eating table, and push walker. Parents will appreciate the ease of assembly and the compact folding design, which allows for convenient storage under furniture and easy portability. This walker doubles as an activity center, complete with engaging music and toys that aid in stimulating your child's senses and in enhancing their motor skills. Safety is a top priority with this walker, as it meets stringent safety standards, ensuring your baby can play and learn to walk in a secure environment. The adjustable height feature of this walker ensures it grows with your child, offering 3 height positions to support their development and prevent O-legs. Designed with comfort in mind, the breathable seat cover provides a pleasant experience for your baby, making it an ideal choice for children aged 6 to 18 months.